Welcome to Review Lab. The best Milwaukee Dolly is probably one of the most underrated tools for anyone who needs to move heavy objects. Whether you're a contractor, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone who needs to move furniture, this dolly can save you time, effort, and your back. In this video, we'll take a close look at the Milwaukee Dolly, exploring its features, build quality, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right tool for your needs. Number 5. Wellmax Push Cart Dolly, Foldable, 330 pounds capacity. Tired of bulky carts? This Wellmax dolly folds down for easy storage. It's ready to go whenever you need it, perfect for any space. This four-wheel cart is built for easy handling. The 360-degree swivel wheels make navigating corners a breeze. The folding mechanism allows for one-handed operation. Handle your items with confidence. This cart can hold up to 330 pounds. The support guard keeps items secure, and the wheels handle uneven surfaces with ease. Quality is key at Wellmax. This cart is built for long-term use, from the padded handle to the non-slip platform. You can rely on it for years to come. Move household items, wood planks, or luggage with ease. The foldable design makes it easy to store in your garage, basement, or office. It's versatile for any task. Support a USA-based business. Wellmax has been family-run since 1994. Join the Wellmax family today. What we like. This cart is designed to be compact and foldable, making storage a breeze. Its 360-degree swivel wheels ensure easy maneuverability, even in tight spaces. If you are looking for a dolly that is easy to store and navigate, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The dolly is very well built and sturdy. The wheels are large and roll easily. The folding mechanism is easy to use. Number 4. Magna Cart Foldable Hand Cart, 150 pounds, black-red. This folding hand truck is perfect for home, office, travel, or recreation. It's ready to use right out of the box, making it incredibly convenient. The cart features a sturdy 15-inch wide aluminum base. This design allows it to effortlessly carry loads up to 150 pounds. The product operates quietly, thanks to its 5-inch ball-bearing rubber wheels. They glide smoothly and silently on many surfaces, minimizing noise. The handle extends to a maximum height of 39 inches, giving you extra reach. It also has a soft grip for comfortable and secure handling. It folds down to a mere 2.5 inches thick. This makes it easy to carry and store in various places, including different modes of transportation. What we like. This hand cart is ready to use right out of the box and features a robust 15-inch wide aluminum base. The quiet operation is a great advantage. If you are looking for a simple, ready-to-go solution for light-duty tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. The dolly is well built and sturdy. The wheels are large and roll smoothly. The folding mechanism is easy to use. Number 3. Mounted, Folding Dolly, Heavy-Duty Hand Truck. This industrial-grade trolley is designed to make moving heavy items easy. It saves your back and simplifies transport, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. This rugged dolly cart combines strength and convenience. Built with durable aluminum alloy, this cart can handle up to 440 pounds. It includes a bungee cord to secure your items, and large rubber wheels for a smooth ride. It's a versatile solution for heavy-duty tasks, moving appliances, or general transport. The handle extends up to 39.4 inches and adjusts to 3 different heights. This provides convenient handling for various users and tasks. Use it as a hand truck or appliance dolly to make every job easier. This moving dolly unfolds in seconds with just 3 simple steps. Extend the handle, step on a nose plate, and load it up. This portable dolly comes ready to use with no assembly required. The cart folds down flat for compact storage and transport. It's perfect for stowing in vehicles, under a bed, or in a closet. This design offers ultimate convenience whether you need an appliance dolly or a hand cart. What we like. This heavy-duty dolly can handle up to 440 pounds, making it ideal for moving appliances and heavy items. The telescoping handle adjusts to 3 different heights for comfortable use. If you need a robust and versatile dolly for heavy-duty tasks, this is a great option. What people say. The dolly is well built and sturdy. The wheels are large and roll smoothly. The folding mechanism is easy to use. Number 2. Mount It, folding hand truck, 165 pounds capacity. Tired of straining your back? This lightweight, industrial-grade trolley is designed to make moving heavy items a breeze. It's perfect for home, office, or travel, combining strength and convenience to handle any load. Built with durable aluminum alloy, this cart can handle up to 165 pounds with ease. The included bungee cord keeps your items secure, and the large rubber wheels ensure a smooth, quiet ride. It's a versatile solution for any moving task. The handle extends up to 39.4 inches and adjusts to 3 different heights. This allows for comfortable handling for users of all sizes. It's designed to make every job easier, whether you need a 2-wheel or 3-wheel dolly. Unfolding this moving dolly is incredibly simple. Just extend the handle, step on the nose plate, and load it up. It comes ready to go with no assembly required. It's the perfect solution for all your transport needs. This cart folds down flat for compact storage and transport. It's perfect for stowing in vehicles or tight spaces. Whether you need an appliance dolly or a handcart, this design offers ultimate convenience. What we like. This folding hand truck is designed for easy use and storage. It features a telescoping handle for comfortable handling and folds down flat for compact storage. If you like a lightweight and easy-to-store dolly, this is a great choice. What people say. The dolly is well built and sturdy. The wheels are large and roll smoothly. It is easy to maneuver. Number 1. Milwaukee 33815 Hand Trucks Furniture Dolly. This furniture dolly from Milwaukee Hand Trucks features carpeted ends. They are designed to help protect your load during transport. It's a smart choice for moving furniture. The dolly's convenient size makes it ideal for large outdoor pots. It's also great for moving furniture around your home or workspace. This makes the job easier. This Milwaukee dolly boasts an impressive 800-pound load capacity. It can handle a variety of items, providing you with the strength you need. It's built to last. Milwaukee Hand Trucks is a trusted brand for moving solutions. This dolly is designed to make your moving tasks easier and safer. You can rely on its quality. With its compact design, it's easy to maneuver in tight spaces. This dolly is a great tool for both home and professional use. It is a must-have for moving. What we like. This dolly features carpeted ends to protect your items and has a high load capacity. Its convenient size makes it perfect for moving furniture and large outdoor pots. If you need a dolly with a high load capacity and protection for your items, you should consider this. What people say. The dolly is well built and sturdy. It's easy to maneuver, even when fully loaded. The folding mechanism is smooth and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.